Hello viewers, this is a tutorial on how to automate unsubscribe on Reddit using Socinator. If there are communities and you no longer want to be subscribed to on Reddit, then Socinator can help you out. Let's start with the Accounts Manager screen from where we can navigate to configure the accounts. To do that, right-click on your Reddit account and hit Go to Tools. This will take you to the Account Configuration screen. You can also see the available activities which can be automated on Reddit through Socinator. Let's click Unsubscribe. This is very useful if you want to keep unsubscribing to a number of communities within a period of time while narrowing them down in the process. There are several configuration categories for unsubscribe activity. Let's begin with the first one, unsubscribe source. So we have communities subscribed by software. So these are the communities subscribed using Socinator. Then we have communities subscribed outside software. So these are the Reddit communities you subscribe to yourself. Finally, we have custom community list. For this one, we need a specific community URL. Let's go to Reddit. Let's say you no longer want to be part of this Reddit community. So copy the community URL here, paste it in this area. You may clear using the clear all button and it's gone. You may also click this button to import from CSV or text file. Select the right file and click open. So let's paste it again. So when you're done, click save. Next we have source filter, where you can specify how long you have been subscribed to the communities you want to unsubscribe from. So how many days, how many hours. This is not applicable for the custom community list unsubscribe source. So only if you use the first two unsubscribe sources. The next configuration category is job configuration. This allows us to choose the speed at which an account should unsubscribe from Reddit communities. We have already created a few activity speed configurations which you can use, like slow with an average daily activities of 59, medium with 150, fast with 271, or super fast with 667. Super fast is not recommended for new or real accounts. If you want to define your own speed settings, click Advanced Settings. Delay between each operation is the number of seconds between each unsubscribe activity. Delay between jobs is the number of minutes the software should pause after unsubscribing to the number of communities you set, and number of unsubscribes per job. Number of unsubscribes per job will allow you to specify the number of communities you want to unsubscribe from per job or per cycle. You may also specify the number of communities to unsubscribe from per hour, per day, and per week. Click this box to increase each day with a specific number until it reaches another custom number of max unsubscribes per day. You can also create a daily schedule under day of the week when to operate. This is very useful if you want to keep unsubscribing even when you're asleep or busy doing other things. If you don't want to operate on, let's say, Monday, click the trash bin button under Monday and it's gone. You can add multiple time frames in one day. Simply click the day you want to configure, Monday for example, provide the start and end time, let's say 12 a.m. to 1:59 a.m. and click add interval and it's added. Let's add another one on the same day. Let's say 2 a.m. to 11:59 p.m. click add interval. So as you can see, we can have several schedules in one day. You may save these time settings by clicking create favorite. Let's call it Reddit unsubscribe and click save. We can then open it by clicking select favorite time and choosing Reddit unsubscribe. The last tool is community filters. This allows us to filter the communities we want to unsubscribe from on Reddit. The first one will target those that are not safe for work communities. Next, we'll target quarantined communities. Check the third one if the user should be a subscriber. Check the fourth one if the community should show media. Next, communities should have emojis enabled. Next, communities should have the original tag enabled. Next, communities should support original content. The next one will allow you to specify the minimum and maximum number of the subscribers count of the community. And finally, you can specify the minimum and maximum number of the WLS count of the community. When you're satisfied with all the configurations and are ready to start unsubscribing on Reddit, let's scroll up and click Save. Success. After saving, let's click the status button to make it active. Now that it's active, let me show you another option in automating unsubscribe on Reddit using Socinator. This allows us to create campaigns, which is perfect for multiple accounts. To start, let's go to the upper right corner of the app and click the social drop-down button and select Reddit. This will take us to the Accounts tab. Let's switch to the Subscribe Channels tab and select Unsubscribe on the left side of the app. Here we can name our campaign. Let's call it Reddit Unsubscribe. For unsubscribe source, let's check community subscribed by software or Socinator. For source filter, it's up to you. For job configuration, let's select slow. And finally, for community filters, let's check should be not safe for work and should be quarantined. When you're ready, let's click the blue button, select account or accounts. In this part, we can select multiple Reddit accounts. Since you only have one account right now, let's go with that by checking the box and click Save. After saving, let's click the red button, Create Campaign. If you want to proceed, click your account and the Save button. This will automatically bring us to the Campaigns tab, where you can see that we have successfully created our Reddit Unsubscribe campaign. Click the status button to pause the campaign, and the action button over here will allow us to edit, duplicate, or delete the campaign. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned a lot, and thank you so much for watching.